Really on, getting icy zone, flexing. I've been sorbing, make it trendy. We look sexy. Here we go, making.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Mr. Gaza here with the Gaza Performance Garage. Today I'm with my friend here, Mr. Sheldon, and I am driving his Sc300, which is a W58 manual transmission.
Yes.
With a 2Jzge GE with a single exhaust system. And we're going to take for a test drive. I always wanted to drive one of these. His interior is flawless, as you can see. And of course, you know, it's a Soarer. You see what I'm saying? So from what we know from now, the Soarers are taking off, doing so much better than the Toyota Supra. I don't blame it. The Toyota Supra is way out of our league. So we're gonna make this, the Soarer, and Sheldon's car, the main event. This guy has a sweet ride. So I'm gonna take it for a ride. Alright, which way again? Just go straight, right?
Go straight and then make a right.
I have not driven stick in over 10 years. Let's see how it works out. Not bad. Wow. Dude, this car driving nice. So tell me a little bit about this car, Sheldon. What year is this?
This is a 1997. Everything is pretty much factory. There's a couple of things that the previous owner has done some custom work to it.
Yeah.
That I'm slowly trying to fix and get this back to where it should be, and then I can build it up to add some boost. But slowly but surely, man, little by little.
It feels very strong.
Yeah.
It's very torquey. Okay. Right here, this is it. Beautiful car. Look at the steering wheel. This came off of what?
IS300.
IS300. What year? So we can
1999.
1999. So you guys out there trying to change a steering wheel, 1999 IS300 fits like a charm. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the Gaza Performance Garage. Yes, this is Mr. Gaza here with some very important tech information on your 2Jzge GE motor for turbocharging. All right, first of all, you never throw away your stock MAF sensor. This is paired to your car and it sends the signals that communicate with the computer on injector fire and also transmission shifting. All right, so what we're gonna do is keep that. Of course, you know, the stock MAF sensor comes with a 2.5-inch inlet and goes out to a 3-inch outlet. That's what we're going to work with. Okay, of course, you have various models that have different sizes, and good luck to the guys that have a full 3-inch in and out. That you guys are a winner straight up off the top. But I did not know just changing and adding a 3-inch in and a 3-inch out with a Toyota Supra, twin turbo Toyota Supra MAF sensor would literally send my fuel ratio out the roof to air. It would not idle for jack. Okay, so what I did here with the Gaza Performance through trial and error is I stepped down the intake after intercooler to the MAF sensor to 2.5 and then bring it back up to a 3-inch. I'll show you right here. As you see, guys, right here, let me get this light, not shining too much. As you see, this is a 3-inch. This is coming from the intercooler. All right, 3-inch. And then I had to do a lot of changes right here. And then from a 3-inch to a 2.5-inch diameter, which is a 76 millimeter. Then we have our stock MAF sensor that came with the car, and it is a 5-wire MAF sensor with a green, brown, yellow, blue, and red wire. And then at the exit, going into the intake plenum, that is your 3-inch. All right. Ever since I did this, my friends, day and night difference is not running rich. It's not blowing fuel straight out into the air. Everything is running great. That is great. This is what I wanted. Also, be sure to use your timing light and adjust your distributor to 10 degrees retard. Retard your distributor to 10 degrees. Okay, this is the bolt back here where you gotta pull and loosen up the alternator, and then you're gonna turn it counterclockwise. You're gonna turn it counterclockwise, actually clockwise. Yes. Yeah, you're gonna turn the distributor counterclockwise for retarding it, and then you use your timing light off the flywheel. Flywheel, those guys don't know. Of course, everybody knows that. Somewhere down there. And it should read a 10. You should see flashing up. If you're getting bounce between 10 and 0, that means the idle is too low, so you have to give it a little idle up to like 1,000 RPMs, and then you can get the right timing mark. Okay, now that we have all of this all settled out, what we're gonna have to do is set the fuel pressure to, I'll say 45 psi at idle. Okay, now that we're getting right fuel and everything should be great. What I'll do right now, guys, is go ahead and start it up for you, and I'll show you how it starts up and idles very nicely. We're gonna go in the car and we're gonna start it. Sorry for that. Look at this. This car started up so nicely, so nicely. Never did like this before when we were having the other map, the MAF sensor. And look at it right now, guys. It is just giving me some really good readings on idle. It should go a little bit leaner because it's on a cold startup. All right, but this is what I'm getting right there. Look at that. All right, I'm just making it idle a little bit longer to warm up. This is it, guys. My fuel pressures are set at 42, 41, 42, 41, between right there, which is pretty good, trust me. Now the turbo does not spin the way it idles very smoothly. Before it would idle, it would spin while it was idling because it was pushing out so much fuel that I was getting mini combustion into the turbine itself because of so much fuel. There's many explosions. Here we go, we're idling real nicely. Look at that, smooth. Look at that, never did that before. Look at that. All right, guys, now that the car is warmed up, it accelerates very nicely. The turbo does not spool up unless load is on it, and that's how I like it. So smooth. I love it. I swear it's just getting better and better all the time. See? It's not boosting up, which is a good thing. Oh, and yes, my cigarette lighter, it worked. Straight up. Only problem now is that there is not a continuous circuit for the lights in the shift pad right here, but that's all good. As long as I have my lights right here, everything is fine. So I put it in gear for reverse. That works. Does not shut off. Great. This is what I had for the aftermarket housing for the different MAF sensor. This is for the twin turbo Supra. This is what I used, and because it was a 3-inch going through all the way, it did not measure the air properly going through, right? Because it does not step down, and that's what this car runs on. There we go. Idling so nicely. Oh, look at this, guys. That's what it is. Yes, guys, welcome back. Listen, we learn as we go and mess up in life. Don't be afraid to try different things to see how you'll end up. Because if I didn't try this morning on how to fix this issue, fueling issue that I have, I would never find out that I had to save my stock MAF sensor. Okay, I knew I had to adjust the timing, retarded it by 10% or 10 degrees. I got that from my cousin. This information was shared to me from my cousin. Thank you very much, Mr. Arctic Indian. Whenever he gets his website and his YouTube channel set up, I want you guys go ahead and show him some love, because this guy knows a lot about the 2Jzge motors. Also, guys, if you guys have your Sc300, do not sell this car. This car is actually going up in value so much, and I'm talking about exponentially. 3 months ago, 4 months ago, I saw a car, a Sc300, listed on the market for $1,600. And right now, this car is going for a good $6,000 plus. Listen, whatever you do, guys, hold on to your Sc300s. The 400s are getting there. I am so happy I got a Sc300. And the only thing about my car right now is that I have to go ahead and change out the rear control arms, upper control arms. That I need to do. I'm not gonna go sell it. I was gonna sell it before, changed my mind. Not gonna do that, because I have a diamond right there. My Sc300 is a beautiful piece as well. This is my creation. I will not get rid of that. And with that said, guys, listen, if you guys are not a subscriber to the Gaza Performance Garage, I want you guys to go ahead and hit me up on the Gaza Performance Garage GPG 444 at youtube.com. Or if you guys are not with me on Instagram, it's just GPG 444. GPG 444 is Gaza Performance Garage 444. Okay, listen guys, I appreciate everything that you guys do for me. All my OG members, much love to you guys. New subscribers, thank you very much for hitting that subscribe button. Remember guys, get me over to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Would love to have a lot of newcomers here. It helps, okay? It helps. As I said before guys, we are working hard to get that GTR. Actually, we're working hard to get that GTS 25T. Okay, the GTRs went up. It went up. Now, if I want a GTR R33, I'll have to fork out up to $90,000. Don't have that in my budget yet, but I can get a GTS 25T. All right, with that said, guys, thank you for the love, thank you for the support, and don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for watching my channel. We'll see you next time. Peace, love, and harmony.